Then we also want to make gloves. How high did you want the gloves?
I want it to be like right here.
Okay.
I have no idea what your vision is, so if these gloves are way wrong, tell me. I just got the longest ones I could find. I got tulle ones because tulle is going to be a lot easier to applique to than chiffon. Okay. The thing that I'm hung up on is all the seams in the fingers, but
yeah, no, this is what I was definitely thinking.
Okay, cool.
I love the length.
Oh, that's actually not way too long for your fingers with your nails. Are you gonna
Yeah,
have longer
no,
nails?
I'm gonna have a little shorter. Like, I'm gonna probably have them more dainty. Everything will be way more daintier.
Okay. And then let me grab some lace pieces that we can work with. I have a couple pieces and a couple flowers already cut, but we can cut as many as we want to. And these won't necessarily be the exact pieces that we use on your sleeve. Okay. I want to get a good idea of shape and like density of where you want stuff, and then we can go through and make it daintier or make it more intentional. How much are we wanting?
So I definitely want to like make it like something like that.
Okay, yeah, like a cuff around the top. Okay, great. Like in comparison to the bolero sleeve, how much density do you want to carry over? Bolero is really dense because that's basically just used as a sheet lace. And so that would be like 100% density, and this is 0%.
Yeah.
Where do you fall on that?
Honestly, no, I definitely think that it needs something. Because like even what I love, like the lace from the bolero, like I love this lace. I mean, obviously, like, this is the bolero, and I want to make sure that we finish this one first.
Trying to think about how we could incorporate it best. Let me grab a lace sleeve. Is that too much?
Definitely too much. Okay. Yeah, maybe like 30%. And I want this, again, dainty, like, romantic, very, like, old school kind of vibe.
I don't know if you want, like, piecey, or if you want it all connected. Do you have a thought on that initially?
What do you think, want pieces? I think pieces are cuter.
Piecey would be just, you know, boom, 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 boom. Easier.
Yeah.
Okay, let me pin some on. Again, it's not necessarily the exact placement or exact piece. I'm also thinking that maybe we put like an elastic with a grippy in here so that they don't fall down, because with the lace added on, it's gonna get heavier. Do you want them taken in at all, or do you like it a little bit loose? I won't be able to go really tight on here unless we do some sort of a dart, but I fear that you wouldn't be able to get it off. Yeah. If we make it that tight. So we'll go a little bit tighter through here and make sure that you can still get it off.
And honestly, if we have extra buttons, like,
oh, we could do like a little side opening.
Yeah.
That's kind of cute.
Yeah.
Because I was able to, because you probably want them like fitted. I was like, there's no way that's gonna be possible. But with the buttons, let me work here. Let's get it. Let's see how it'll go. Make sure it'll work. So what I'm pinning right here would likely be a dart. So it would be its own seam line. You have to be okay with an added seam line right there. Okay. But if you're wanting like a very fitted, that's what we'd have to do.
Okay. That's really fine. Could we add like some lace over it? Like,
yeah. Yep. We'll disguise it as best we can. It'll be a little bit long, so I probably wouldn't recommend like a lace piece over the whole thing. Yeah. But it'll look like camouflaged.
Yeah. What would you recommend about these guys?
The fingers. I will have to go in and see how they're constructed. I've never really worked with gloves, to be honest. Okay. So I'll have to go in and see how I can take them in and if it's possible for me to do it. I don't want them looking blocky at the end. You know, I want them to stay elegant, but they are too long. So will it be almost like more like this length? Okay. Yeah, I have to be able to take them in. How does that tightness feel in your wrist? Too tight?
No, I think this is actually perfect. Yeah, I love it.
They're gonna look so good.
I love it. Yeah, and I love the idea of having a little grippy thing.
Totally. Even with the grippy, it might slip down if you're bending a lot. Yeah. But it should stay in place a lot better than it is. Yeah. I'm gonna take in just a little bit more right here so that it tapers out from where we've taken in our new forearm.
Yeah, that makes sense.
On this glove, I've gone ahead and tried shortening a couple of the fingers on it so that way we can see if we're liking it. I've never made gloves before, and so I was like nervous to do all of them. And also, will your nails be any shorter than this?
Yeah,
okay, cool. Okay, that's good to know. So these three are the ones that I went in and shortened. I didn't cut out seam allowance yet. I can tell a difference.
Yeah, oh yeah.
At what point will your nails be the length that you'll have? Or should I just like go so that it's a little bit tight for long nails?
Yeah, to me, I want my nails to be like right here.
Okay.
Do you think I should have a little space in them or no?
I think a little space would probably be nice because then it doesn't feel like it's pulling back off.
Perfect.
And then I have these pieces that we put on last time, and then we have a bunch more cut out. So we can move these around if we are actually like really liking them, or we can just take them off and go with pieces that we've cut. And then as far as density goes, would you want, like if we're just looking at this section of your arm, would you want more density through here, or are we trying to mimic similar density throughout?
I love thick, like the big density, maybe like small tiny pieces here, and then
some of these like mirrored down here, and then little pieces in between them. Okay.
Keep it like symmetrical. I think I love it. I'm looking at it. Like, I love it. I'm obsessed.
Let me do a little bit of that, and if we're not hitting the mark, let me know. And feel free, like if I place one, be like 1 inch higher, half inch, you know what I mean? And then we have mirrored pieces, so if I use one of them, I'm gonna set the other one aside, so if we like it, we can just mirror it to the other glove and have symmetrical sleeves. It's so helpful to have the mirrors because then you can like see from a distance what it's gonna look like. I think if I bring it over a little bit to cover up the seam a little, I feel like that would look a little bit more high end. How do you feel about it right there?
Oh yeah, that looks really pretty.
Do you want it moved anywhere?
No, I think that's great.
Let me know, because this is the easiest time to move it. Can't tell if that piece is weird or not. How do you feel about something like that instead? Like we discussed last time, I'm gonna leave whatever we put over this seam, I'm just gonna leave kind of like, I'll sew this piece on, but leave this flapping, so that way we can take this in and put the loops and buttons there, if you're still into that idea.
Oh yeah.
So I think you want these like tight. Like we just need something right here. Do you want something in there? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, because I feel like when it's like this, I feel like it just looks just gorgeous. That's why I'm like, I kind of like it like that, so.
Cool. As far as how this is, do you like this thickness better or do you like this thickness better?
I love this thickness.
Perfect. Decisive woman. I love it. I say let's start there.
Yeah.
We'll do both sleeves. Perfect. And then we can do buttons on the back, and then you'll come in and you'll see lace on both gloves mirrored.
Yay.
And then at that point, we'll pin how tight we want it here. I'll take in the fingertips of all the gloves so we can see that. And I think that's it. Is that right?
Yep.
Okay.
The appliques that cross over this seam line are sewn down on one side, pinned down to the other so that we still have access to that seam line so we can take it in. Up top, I just have that pinned on so that way we can approve how dense we want the top appliques to be. If we want them thicker or thinner, we have that capability today. And then we just have a little bit that is disconnected back here as well. So whatever we decide we're liking, we'll continue that through there, but I'm thinking that we might take in through there as well. So we'll leave that kind of undone for the moment. Depending on what we deem is necessary for your gloves today, because we might need a longer stretch of buttons and loops on your gloves, so that way
I might have to order some. Yeah.
Maybe order some, or if you don't want to order some, we can find some that look similar. Let's take a look first at just like overall lace coverage. We have so many pieces cut out, big and smalls.
I think I would like some more small pieces.
Okay, do you want any down on your hands, or are you thinking just kind of on the arm?
So with the finger part, I know that we've kind of talked about it. Is this how they're gonna look, or no? You kind of want to wait and see how long my nails are gonna look like, right?
I can cut out the seam allowance in the tips of these, but as far as these seams go, that is how that will look. But I do have extra seam allowance in the ends of your fingers.
Okay.
Is that what you're asking about?
Yeah, because I think I hate this part, and that's I think I know. Remember we talked about it. Is there anything like we could do about it, or no? We're kind of stuck with this like look of it.
We are a little bit stuck with the look of that, unless we switch gloves. If we switch gloves, we reapplicate these. Do you want me to look at other options?
Yeah, because the one thing I look at this and I'm like, I just noticed this and I just hate it.
Okay.
I'm like, is there any? I love everything looks good. That's just like the one thing I look at this and I'm like, oh, I hate like that part.
Just the white stitching.
Yeah, it's just like that's the one thing I'm like, I don't love the white. It just looks so like stark.
Let's hold off on doing anything on gloves. If I can disassemble those and put them together with invisible thread, I'll do that. If not, I'll look for other glove options. So let's pause on gloves for the now then, because that is going to be a big kind of pivot.
Yeah.
So let's pause on that for the time being, make sure that we have something that we love there, and then we'll come back to it. Is that okay?
Yeah, because that's just the one thing I look at this and I'm like, oh, dang it. Like, I like, now that I see the lace, I'm like, I love this, and I even look in the mirror and I'm like, oh, so cute. Then I look at this and I'm like, oh, like,
totally fine.
We do not have the capability of making them out of this in this same manner, just because the seam allowance that we have on the inside would be too thick and too bulky. And so what I did was I went in and changed a couple fingers on this glove.
Amazing.
We'll see if you like the difference. This is the original stitch. It's more of a chain stitch.
Okay, yes, much
and this
better.
is this. So
okay, yes.
it comes at a cost. The cost is this chain stitch that they had on the original. It has some stretch to it. So if you like squint your hand, it's not gonna do anything that stretches with it. But this has the potential, if you like squeeze too much, to rip or pop the seam.
Okay.
Does this make a big enough difference to you? Because going in and detaching all of these and redoing them will probably take a couple hours.
Oh, really?
So if it's worth it to you, we do it, but it comes at cost.
At a cost. How much do you think?
Probably like 2 or 3 hours to do both gloves.
We'll just do it.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, let's see. I want to make this snug on you. I don't want to make it too tight.
Yep.
Is that going to be good?
Yeah. No, I think like perfect.
Okay.
Then probably a small one right here.
Okay. Do you like the look of this piece, or would you rather have a small flower here rather than
Maybe a
set of
small
leaves?
flower right
Okay.
there. I just thought of something and I'm just being so annoying.
What?
now. I know you're saying about the lace, right? Like that we can't do like the fingers with it because it's too delicate.
Yeah.
If we did fingerless, we could, or
Yeah, like if it just came to here, would you rather do that?
could we
Almost similar to like what we have
with
on
the
the other.
bolero? If we're gonna spend all the money and like all the time.
Yeah.
I'm like, might as well just do a full sleeve. I know, I'm sorry. I'm making you go through all this hassle.
No, you are so fine. This is literally what we're here for. Okay, let's do this end, and I'm gonna flip it just so you don't see the 3D flowers.
What do you think? But yeah, because I feel like this would be really pretty and we can play up with a lot of this. Once we take out the fingers,
The world is our oyster. We
Yeah.
can do whatever we want. You wanna do that instead?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
you're not gonna spend hours taking.
I'm so grateful we don't have to redo your fingers on your gloves. I was like, I know, I think she's gonna like it better, and it does look better. But I'm like, oh, this is.
Such a pain in.
I was just so stressed that the seams are gonna pop on you, and I'm like, we cannot go through all this work, and then
And
you
then
just
it
like
just-
grab something, and it's like, psst, let's do that. If we need to come back to this, we can.
Yeah.
We'll
No,
keep
honestly, I feel like that's just gonna look better.
Do you want it down onto your hand to your knuckles, essentially?
I feel like that looks the smoothest, right? Like.
I like that, especially where it stops
Yeah,
here.
'cause for that one, I definitely want it to go to my fingers.
Okay.
Because I'm gonna be dancing with it,
Yeah.
and so I don't want it to be like.
We'll do some grippy elastic
Yep.
here, the wrap around there. Okay, let me take some measurements really quick. I'm excited about that.
And then I guess even for that, like if we can get the least dense side and then like add onto it,
Okay.
I feel like that would be.
Let me show you what we have to work with.
Yeah.
I think this is our largest intact piece, and so we would probably be making both sleeves out of this section. It's gonna be pretty thick.
Yeah.
Maybe even this part, so that way we have this
Yes.
thinner piece on you.
Yep. Oh, I love that.
If it just comes off and flares off, you could cut it at this.
Is that easy to do? Is that?
I think
is
that's
that-
doable.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I feel like for dancing, I don't want it to like move and like I'm just constantly like.
Totally.
I just want something attached.
Yeah.
Like right here.
It's still going to move, and
Yeah.
even with the elastic, it might fall
Yep.
a little bit. We'll try to get it tight and just like
Yeah.
fitted to you so that it doesn't move as much as possible. I love that.
Let's try on our new gloves first. And I really hope they fit because the amount of fabric that we had was like barely enough to make these. So if we need to go in and make them any bigger, we can. I'm hoping that they're a good fit on you.
Oh my god.
And then I think I want them a little bit higher on your arm, so I'm gonna tug up a little.
Oh, they're so cute.
And I also have a tight elastic in here, which, you know, we can go in and make a little looser too. Where do we want that to sit? Do you want it to sit up here?
I think so,
Okay,
yeah.
I'm gonna go in and just open that up a little bit. And that is a-okay. Like as long as we're at this fit, we can make that happen.
I am obsessed.
I think that this is a really good move.
It just fits way better than like the sheer fabric.
Yeah, agreed. And we want longer.
I mean, I'm okay if we can maybe get like a flower piece.
Yeah.
If we can and just get it so it kind of goes like that.
Totally. Haley, would you mind grabbing me a stretch of gross green ribbon? 12 inches? About. I want to grab some lace too. Because I feel good about what I can do through here and I can make that look like so camouflage, but I want you to be able to choose what you want down here. And do you want it straight across or do you want it to be similar to the bolero where it comes to a point?
I kind of want to point so that we can
Cool.
get like a
Yeah.
around this one.
Love.
So I can like actually dance with this one.
Love it. Okay, let me grab that lace. And if you're feeling even slightly tight, tell me because it'll feel a little bit tighter once it's all like sewn together.
I think honestly only around the elbow.
'Kay.
That's like the only spot I feel like any tightness.
Okay, one of these at the bottom,
Whatever is easiest to be honest.
as long as it comes down to a point.
Yep. If it is cuter to do something different, then totally fine.
Cool. Yeah, I'll just go ahead and do whatever looks good on that then. Beautiful. Thanks. Okay, I'm so excited about those. Gave us a little bit extra room through here, so we'll want to make sure that they fit well. And then I have just a little bit more lace that I'll want to connect the top band here. And then I have two different angles on the bottoms that I want you to take a look at.
Okay.
And I feel like I know which one we'll like. And then I do have an elastic on this one. I want to see if it's too tight or if it's a good fit.
This one is, I think, too long and too wide for us. And then I think this one's probably too narrow. And also I don't really love the center point that it's coming down to. Both of these, I think, bring the buttons too far forward, whereas I want them to sit more on like the back. Yeah. But yeah, I think overall we're just a little off. So let's figure that out. Does that feel like an okay tightness up here?
Yeah.
Okay. Give that a try too, and I'm gonna go grab just a little piece of tulle so I can sketch out how we want this to lay. I'm liking like this angle, but I feel like this angle comes out too flat.
Yep.
And so I want it to mirror it, so I'm just gonna sketch one out while I have you in it. I'm really liking this line. More like that is what I'm thinking.
Yeah, that's, yep.
Okay. How did that elastic feel? Was that a little bit too tight on your
I
finger?
think it was a little too tight,
'Kay.
just a smidge.
We'll give you a little extra room there. How are those feeling overall?
Pretty good. I mean, I can do them, so that's...
That's good. That's number one priority. It's coming together!
Oh, you look so good.